Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Exness account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Exness application. You can see over here Exness application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your personal area. So if you want to delete your account, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll have to go to the settings. So simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface, simply scroll down to the bottom. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for terminate Exness personal area. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you terminate the Exness personal area, you can see over here this email will be blocked, all the data will be deleted, programs will be cancelled. Keep in mind this action cannot be reversed, so simply tap on the option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to specify the reason why you're terminating. Simply tap on the option of your choice. You can also describe your reason for termination if you want. This is completely optional. If you want to skip, tap on the option skip. Now you'll have to confirm the termination. You'll be able to see the informations over here. You'll have to read all the information. Simply tap on the option read all. If you read all the information, simply check on this box. I confirm my agreement to the terms set out above. Now tap on the option terminate that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your termination has been completed. Tap on the option got it. Now you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you delete Exness account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.